hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you katakana by using everyday words. Japanese has 3 alphabets and katakana is one of them. Katakana is a syllable that is often used for transcriptions of foreign languages, expressing your feelings, or onomatopoeias. Also, katakana has the same characters as hiragana, but it's just written and used differently. Okay, today's katakana is hahifuheho. Ha Sound for laugh. He Sound for laugh. Fu Sound for laugh. He Sound for laugh. Ho Sound for laugh. Japanese has several laughing sounds to express emotions or personalities. You can find these in animes or mangas often. So, if you know these differences, you can easily imagine characters' emotion while they're laughing. Okay, see you next time!